This video puts you through on how to send pictures to another Microsoft Teams user using Teams for iPhone. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it.
So the first step is to get to your Teams app and tap on it. As the Teams app opens, go through, be on the chat tab, alright? I'm on the chat tab already. Once you tap on it, you'll be on the chat tab, alright? Please don't be on activity or on calendar or on community, just on the chat tab, alright? So once you tap on it, you'll be there. Then get to the contact you want to send the picture to. So in this case, let me send to Mark Steve. So I'll tap on his name. All right, so on this page, the next step I have to take right now is to tap on the plus sign at the bottom left, okay? This provides you with some icons, right? So one of them is media, all right? So tap on media. Okay, so it gives you two options. Do you want to take a camera of yourself or you want to open the photos library? In this case, I have already saved a picture in my photos app, all right? So I'll select the option of photo library. But if you want to capture your face or maybe capture something I sent to him immediately, go with camera. So let's select photo library. All right, this opens the Photos app of your iPhone, giving you, showing you some pictures as well as some videos you have on your iPhone. So let me tap on the one I want to send to the person. So let me go with this one here. So I'll tap on it. If you want to select more than one, tap on the other to be two, or tap on the rest, okay? Then after that, you have to tap on this send icon at the bottom right. You can see the arrow pointing towards the right, okay? And we are taken to this page. It seems the photo is inverted, kind of, but no problem. The next step is to hit the send button. Okay, you can see it has arrived well. The way it is right now is very okay. So Steve Mac will get this from his end. He can tap on the picture and see each and every one of them and use it the way he wants to use it. When he downloads the picture, he can rotate it on his own, okay? If it's not sitting well, but this one is okay. It's the other one, so you can rotate it using the Photos app.
I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on software tutorials, okay? YouTube education and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. All right? All right? Please, you can still share to people if you want to do that, okay? You can watch this video here to learn how to complete more tasks on Microsoft Teams. Thank you and see you some other time.